Another day, another project. Audi S5 V8 manual 2009. So this car has 251,937 kilometers, not miles, kilometers. The date is not correct, so we have to address a couple things here. Pretty oily all over, one or the other side of the engine, front, the back, the bottom, spark plug holes full of oil, coolant not really good looking, reservoir on the bottom, so needs a flush, air intake boxes on routing, missing parts, plastic top cover of this front bumper missing, oil dripping all over from the engine. The whole bottom part of the engine is pretty wet. Bushing replacements, part of the deal, they are sagging already. Wiring harness hanging around like there is no tomorrow. Panel adjustments, perfect gap. Brakes, complete job. Loud exhaust, no, we're not gonna fix that. And on the back side, some shields, heating shields, flapping around in the wind. Some rusty spots here and there, missing paint, and here and there, and here and there. Not too many though for the year. And little things like missing parts. And also we have to fix some zip tied sensors. Not sure what that is for. And I think front bumper needs some fresh paint too. It's all cracked, paint chips.
And I don't really like this wiring. It looks pretty burned, doesn't it?
And few broken parts like this. Somebody, I don't know what they try to do. Cut it, weld it. We'll see. And regular hex bolts, hex fasteners. That's what we don't like on Audis. We need Torx and triple square. Same here. And also we're gonna need some sound dampener. In the inside, I believe they had some dogs on passenger seat. What do you think? So we're gonna replace that. And on the driver's door, armrest. So we're gonna address that too. This central display is pretty dim. Otherwise the car is not in bad shape at all. It pulls strong, so it just needs some love and time. We'll get it done. And maybe a little bit of love on the paint, some waxing or something. Hopefully it's not too hard, whatever happened here. And honestly, I can't wait until it's back on the road in full power, nice and shiny. So stay tuned if you want to see the progress. The series is gonna start in a couple of weeks.